Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to another video. For today's video, I'm going to talk about how you can be able to fix the problem of Netflix payment pending problem. Okay, so before to show you what you need to do in order to fix that problem, I want to tell you that the problem will not be on Netflix, but the problem would be in your bank account. So when you're going to pay for your subscription, you're going to find the problem in your bank account. So what you need to do, which is to go and check your bank app and see if you're blocking it to make any transaction. So this is the first thing that you need to think about. So go and check it, and after checking it, and if you find that this is not the problem, what you need to do is to contact your bank, or you can go and visit them in person and talk about this problem and tell them what's going on, and then they're going to help you fix that problem and tell you what you need to do in order to pay for your subscription on Netflix. So that's it, guys. That's all what you need to do. The first thing, as I told you, go check your bank app and see if you are blocking any transaction from your bank to another app or website, and if it's not, go and visit your bank and tell them about the problem that you're facing, and they're going to help you fix that problem. So this was the video. I hope it was useful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.